Hello my user, my name is Tesfahan. I am a partner of CGI Ethiopia. Today I'll show you how to create NParticles texture emission, look like this. This video includes the project file. You can get downloader link under the video description. I hope you like it. Please subscribe, like and share. First create plane by selected Shift plus right click. A certain scale must be added. Go to the channel box and set to scale X, Y, Z value 15. And set rotate X value -90. Next, press Alt plus Shift plus D to delete history. The particle we create must be displayed clearly. Turn off the grid line on the viewport. Then press space, go to the NParticle option. And select Emit from Object. Then resetting settings and click Create. As you can see, you have created a particle in this way. Then go to the outline, select the emitter under Plane Poly. Go to the Attribute Editor. Change the emitter type to Surface, set rate emitter value 100. Select the scale rate by object size. As you can see, the particle created in this form is all over the surface. Next, go to the outline, select NParticle and go to the Attribute Editor. By selecting Lifespan, switch Lifespan mode to Constant. Set Lifespan value to. As you can see, we have made it look like this. Now we need to these particles do not fall down. To do this, select the nucleus. Go to the attribute, and set gravity direction Y value 0. As you can see, there is no particle falling down. Next, I will show you how to add texture to this particle. Go to the outline and hide the plane poly by selected H. By selecting NParticle, on the Attribute Editor. Select Add Dynamic Attributes. Then press the color. Select Add Per Particle Attribute, then click Add Attribute. Selecting the emitter and go to the Attribute Editor. And go to Texture Emission Attributes. By clicking this box, you can import the image you want. You will find this tutorial project file download link under the video descriptions. If you download the project file, you will find this image in the source image. Select it and input. The selected image to be displayed on the particle to be selected this inherit color. As you can see now the image is displayed in this particle. Next you need to rotate the image layout. Navigate to File Attribute, select Place 2D Texture. Set Rotate UV value -180. As you can see, in this way the image layout is adjusted. As you can see, the particle to be starts on frame 1 is not display. This needs to be corrected. Play on the viewport in this way. Pause it after it reaches frame 60. Next, select the NParticle. Hold space and go with Field Solvers. Under Initial State, select Set for All Dynamic. As you can see, in this way, particle is displayed from frame 1. Then select NParticle, hold space and go to Field Solvers. Select Air. Then select Air Field and go to Attribute Editor. Set magnitude value 100. Set attenuation value 10. Set direction Y value -1. Then adjust the airfield position in this way by pressing W. As you can see, now the particle at the bottom falls to the ground. Next, go to frame 30 and then set key by press Shift plus W. Go to frame 31 and adjust the airfield position in this way. Make it a set key by pressing Shift plus W. As you can see, particle starts at the bottom and falls to the ground. When it reaches frame 31, those in the middle begin to fall. Next, let them fall completely down. Go to frame 60. Select Emitter, and go to Attribute Editor. Right-click on the emitter rate and select Set Key. Next, go to frame 80. Set the emitter rate value 0, then right-click and select Set Key. Similarly, select Airfield, go to frame 60 with Attribute Editor. Right-click on Magnitude Value, select Set Key. Going to frame 80. Set Magnitude Value 400. Right-click and select Set Key. As you can see, after frame 60 they all particle or fall completely down. So that we can better see the movement, let's take a look at it by Play Blast. As you can see, in this way you can create the particle's texture emission you want. Thanks for watching.